You see ads for free credit scores everywhere, but you get that nagging feeling. Is it actually safe? You're right to be suspicious. In under 3 minutes, I'm going to show you how to spot the legitimate services and avoid the dangerous scams, so you can finally check your score without worrying about the catch. Let's be clear, your caution is justified. When you sign up for a free credit score, you're asked for sensitive information like your social security number. So, what's the catch? With legitimate companies, the catch is marketing. They offer a free score to get your attention, then recommend financial products like credit cards or loans. If you apply and get approved, they earn a commission from the bank. This business model isn't dangerous, but you should know they're trying to sell you something. The dangerous catch comes from scammers who create look-alike websites to steal your data. Handing your info to one of these can lead to new accounts being opened in your name, destroying the credit you were trying to check. This is a huge problem, with consumers reporting over $10 billion in losses to fraud in 2023. So, how do you get your score without getting scammed? It's entirely possible if you know where to look. First, understand the difference between a credit report and a credit score. Your report is a detailed history of your credit activity, while your score is the 3-digit number summarizing it. By law, you are entitled to a free copy of your credit report from the 3 main bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The only official federally authorized website for this is annualcreditreport.com. Memorize that name, because fake sites are a popular scam. For your credit score, you'll use a reputable third-party service. Companies like Credit Karma and Experian's free service are well-established, legitimate options. Credit Karma provides free scores from Equifax and TransUnion, while Experian provides a free FICO score. And if you want an all-in-one solution, I've linked one of my favorite trusted monitoring tools below. It gives you access to your full credit report, FICO score, and real-time alerts, everything in one dashboard. It's super affordable too, almost free. Definitely worth checking out. Here are the key safety rules. Stick to reputable names. For your full credit reports, only use annualcreditreport.com. And never give out your information from an unsolicited email. Always go directly to the company's website yourself. Best of all, checking your own score this way is a soft inquiry, and it will not hurt your credit score. Ultimately, the fear around free credit scores shouldn't stop you from monitoring your financial health. The big, well-known services are not scams. They are businesses that advertise to you. The most important takeaway is this: check your credit regularly. Use annualcreditreport.com for your free annual reports and a trusted service like Credit Karma or Experian for frequent score updates. Now that you know how to do it safely, go check your score. Let me know in the comments if anything you learned today surprised you. And if this video helped, subscribe for more straightforward financial guides.